it goes live, then I'm gonna do my intro. What's going on, guys? Serious here. That was awful. Oh my gosh. Can't fucking delete a live stream. What is going on, guys? Serious here. We're gonna be making some Call of Duty Zombies in the Battlefield 2042 portal editor. It's gonna be fucking sick. So, yeah. Let's get it. So what I got on the screen right now is just the, yeah, this music is driving me crazy. Okay, what I got on the screen, basically I got like my paint, I got like a drawing tablet that I use. I'm just gonna use it to take notes because, we gotta basically make all of these subsystems work inside the portal editor. There's a lot of functionality, but we're gonna have to basically kind of invent some of it because they don't have like a lot of the common scripting things you'd need. Okay, yeah, this music's trash. I was like, yo, let's just listen to the Borderlands 3 soundtrack. That's a great idea. No. Hold on. I think last time I tried to play Con, it, like, got mad at me. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Because what are they gonna do about it? Gets banned off YouTube immediately. Okay. So, Battlefield 2042 Portal, pretty much. Wait a minute. Why did I not post this? I am the big dumb. Hold on. Let me post this in my Discord chat. Anyway. Battlefield 2042 Portal is pretty much like custom game modes in Battlefield. So we should be able to make some really cool shit. So we're going to start with Team Deathmatch because you actually need teams for the zombies. If you did free-for-all, then the players would kill each other, which would be cool. I have a game mode like that called ZBR on Black Ops 3, but we'll save that for after. Like, we're going to start with the base zombies. So now we go to the map rotation. Doesn't really matter. I'm literally just going to test on North Shar container areas whenever I get the game, which is in a couple days. Then we're going to mess around with the game mode details. Now, this says maximum human players. It's a little bit deceptive. I think it means max players, period. So what I'm going to do is just max this out to 64 and then throw this down to 4v60. So we'll put all of the bots on the enemy team and all the local players here. Now, some of you guys might actually recognize this AI limit. This is very similar to Call of Duty's AI limit. So, that's kind of cool. But, yeah, we'll just do that. Squad spawn type, we're going to do... See, for Team 1, problem is I can't tell... Okay, so that's... Okay. So we needed to unlink them. So Team 1's spawn type, we're allies. So we will let them spawn on all. Why? Alright, you know, let's try Virtual Riot or something else. I don't know. I can't have lyrics when I'm like trying to think like this. It's just weird. Let's use copy paste Virtual Riot. He's live. Spam chat with Supreme. Do it. What are they gonna do about it? Gets terminated. We are not even talking to him. Cry about it. Okay. So we'll let the ally players spawn on their team together. And no squad spawning for the bots, because like it wouldn't make any sense for you to have zombies that just like appear like on you. Okay, so per squad character limit, we don't care. We'll let them use whatever they want. That's just like the specialists you can use and shit. Yeah. Okay, so friendly fire, we're gonna mess with this too. We don't want friendly fire. I mean, it would be fun, but we'll play with that later. Team 2, I don't think we need friendly fire either because they're zombies. So, yeah. Projectile speed multiplier, we'll leave that alone. Global damage multiplier. This may be editable in the rules editor, and if it is, it will be necessary for the round-based mode to work. The issue is they don't really give you a lot of variables to work with, I don't think. But we should be able to track rounds in some way, so, you know, I'll give it a go in a bit. But I'm going to leave this alone for now. I'm going to unlink it just in case they do some internal synchronization of this. We're not going to have any weather events because I think it'd kind of be dumb. classic soldier weapon tuning. I don't even know what that means. Okay, so that would be like the classic time to kill. So we'll leave that alone. It doesn't matter. Stationary weapons, we'll leave that alone. We'll consider that to be like traps or whatever. And that's probably going to be broken. We'll turn that off. Headshot damage multiplier. So we'll actually mess with these. We will make body shots do... Actually, I don't know how this works. Hold on. Multiplies the damage dealt with successfully landing a body shot. Combines with other damage... That's great, but here's the problem. They don't tell you whether this is our multiplier versus them or their multiplier against us. I'm going to assume that this is probably our multiplier against them. So we're going to say that allies get a 1 or a 2x headshot damage and a 50% body damage. That's too much. That's too much. We'll do 1.5 and 1 and 0.75. Are we going to do... Well, we should be able to put it... Yeah, okay. So aim assist, yes, we'll leave aim assist on. Zoom snap. Yeah, we'll leave that alone. That's like traditional COD zombies. Okay, drops on death. Here's the thing. We drop nothing. And they're also going to drop nothing because we might be able to do a like spawn weapon event here. So we'll leave that alone. I really hope you can like save over time. So like... Can I just save it? Yeah, okay, and then you can have a code and just keep working on it. Okay, great. Okay, that's what we'll do. Unsubbed, going to Feb stream, cry about it. Okay, man down type. So this is important. So we will literally just instant death the teams, and we will down a ally's teammate, because, you know, that's typical COD zombies. So what's interesting about that, that actually just checks off already our revive system. Oh, whoops. That's not what I meant to do. That checks off our revive system because, I mean, that's just default built into Battlefield, so that's good. We are not going to allow Team 2 to prone, because Team 2 is the zombies, right? Fall damage multiplier. Zombies will not have fall damage multiplier. We'll leave it alone for allies. Strafe while sprinting. No. Because zombies run in a straight line, so you want them to, like... Also, I don't think that would be a good idea for Team 1 either. That would kind of feel weird. Sprint. Obviously, we're going to allow everyone to sprint. Well, okay, here's the thing. In zombies, they don't actually sprint. They always run or walk. So what I might do is actually turn that off for them and, like, give them a movement speed multiplier. And that might make them a little bit more enjoyable to play against. Aim down sights. Okay. Obviously, zombies can't aim down sights, so, yeah. No health regeneration on AI. Soldier maximum health. Okay, we'll leave these alone, but we'll unlink them. Health regeneration, 0. Is this not 0? I can't do 0? I can do 0. Wait, why did that reset? What? That's weird. What's up, Nightwalker? Soldier redeployed, delay multiplier. Okay, so... we will just, like, yoink this to 0, making... Actually, we're not going to mess with that at all. So for these guys, they can redeploy as much as they want. But we'll script this, because you can actually script that part. Traversal sprint, what does this mean? gun up traversal sprint. Oh, so that's like, yeah, obviously zombies can't do that. Sliding, obviously zombies can't slide. But also, we'll leave it alone. Squad revive. So zombies cannot squad revive. Okay. So we have the vehicle options. Vehicle spawn delay multipliers like infinity. We're just not gonna have vehicles. No vehicles. No vehicles. Vehicle health regeneration. Yeah, we're just gonna like nerf these into the ground. Just in case they do spawn. Okay, user interface. So we can have the compass, the minimap, the HUD, soldier weapon modifications. I think we are not gonna allow them to mess with. Well, we'll let them mess with plus. That's okay. Pinging we will disable. Cause why? Ally identification. Yeah, we will do that for everyone except for zombies. Compass is displayed in the HUD. Sure, why not? And we'll just disable all this for zombies because they obviously don't need it. Then the AI. So this is the fun part. So Team 2 is going to have as many as we can put, which is 60. Then the AI type, they're going to be PvE AI. And the difference is, so PvP AI spawn like human players. PvE is a fixed number that cannot be replaced. Wait, fixed number that cannot be replaced. What does that mean? Oh, yeah. Okay, so just PvP AI can basically be replaced like COD bots, but you can't do that in this. So nobody will be able to spawn on Team 2, basically, is what we want here. AI difficulty, so I don't actually know if this is tunable in-game. We'll see. I'm just going to put them on advanced, because all they're doing is meleeing, so if they're not good, like, you know. Synced modifiers. Yeah, we'll leave all this alone. Because we already set this up through the teams, so we don't want to re-override it, because it'll be confusing. Okay, we'll save it. Okay, what else? Okay. So we'll pick, like, what soldiers we want. Honestly, we'll just throw these guys to be, like, the most scuffed looking characters. Because they're zombies, so why not? Like, the dark colors are probably best. Like, dark clothing colors. I don't know. That's the thing. I don't... They have ghillie suits. I'd like for them all to be ghillie suits. I'll just make these guys Battlefield 3. I don't... Let's do that for now. I wish you could name the teams. That'd be cool. Okay, so we will only allow them to be recon? Wait, why can't I... Oh, there we go. So they're all gonna look like that, I guess. Or we can make them all look like that, because he's got this thing going on, but I think this will probably look better. And then for these guys, we'll just... we'll leave them alone. We don't care. Is knifing still a two-shot kill in the base game? I don't know. I don't know. We'll have to see. So here's where we just disable all the weapons for the zombies. And they should just spawn in with knives, I think. I don't know. That's a problem. I think everybody spawns with a knife, though. So for these guys, what I might do... the problem is... Well, actually, I think you can take their loadout on spawn. I think you can take their loadout on spawn, so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to leave this all alone. So we'll go to the attachments. So obviously they don't have anything, so we're just going to, like, not care. I am worried the zombies might be able to pick up weapons during the game, which is a no-no, but we'll see. We'll leave all this stuff alone, we don't care. Well, we might want to actually disable some stuff because there might be some broken stuff. Although I don't know. There's probably no point in smoke either. So we'll just get rid of some stuff that doesn't make sense. Like, smokes don't make any sense. Tack lights don't make any sense either. But, leave them, I guess. Bipod, it's whatever. People can play how they want. Zombies picks up gun seems pretty poggers. Yeah, 64 AI, except if you die, you're fucked. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, a lot of this stuff's kind of pointless, but I'll leave it just for fun. Like, why not? Probably... I'll leave the scopes alone, too. People can run whatever they want. Yeah, let's leave all this stuff alone. Vehicles, so no vehicles at all. None. For anybody. Because an attack helicopter versus zombies is probably not fair. I could probably make like a specialist system like in Cold War, but we'll get to that later. So we'll just, for now, do this. So character gadgets. Obviously these bots get nothing. Because, yeah, this would all be broken stuff. Imagine they just all get repair tools and can just burn you. That'd be funny. Okay, so for character gadgets, tugs is probably actually pretty good. Ammo and medkit, that's okay. Repair tool is pointless. We'll put it in case somebody wants to screw around. Anti-tank mine's gone. Claymore's fine. C4 is fine. Mav is fine. SoFlame's pointless. EOD bot's fine. Defibrillator. That's okay as well. Radio beacon. Yeah, why not? These are pointless weapons. This is pointless. These are okay. Okay. And a grenade, of course, is okay. So that's all good. And now we have to go to the rules editor, which is where all the fun happens. So we have to basically make everything in this list down here. Like all this stuff has to work. So we'll probably start with just getting like the fundamentals. I'm not too worried about the like round-based mode yet, but we will get to that. So Horde AI. First, let's just think about, so like what is the chronological sequence that you take when you play a zombies game, right? Well, you spawn in, okay, and then the zombies start spawning in. So my biggest concern here is I don't think there's any way to have a player redeploy in a specific place. We've got undeploy player. I know there's a deploy player too, right? Oh, maybe there's not a forced deploy player. Okay. There was, I think. So yeah, you can set player max health. We will use that for the zombie health whenever we need to. Skip man down, we'll use that too. Set player soldier. Yeah, we'll leave that alone. Okay. Cool, so I guess we'll just get started, you know, thinking about, like, the process of the game. So, I think we could prevent players from spawning if their AI count is lower. Now, I think we can actually create variables. Oh, no. 16 variables. Oof, that's gonna be tough to work with. We're really gonna have to be careful what we're using. We could okay. So we have 16 variables. Whatever, we'll work with it. The most important thing in zombies is the rounds, right? So obviously we need a rounds variable. So rounds is going to be one variable. Let's see what type of variables they let us use, though. So this will be a global variable called rounds. Or, rounds played. Okay. The problem is, I don't know what this variable actually can be. Any type. Okay. Great. Is there a way... Yeah, okay, so we can do... So we can just do 0, right? Right on game type start. That's fine. So we'll take that out. We don't even need that. Let's go ahead and make a subroutine. Can we have unlimited? I think we can. So set round number. Okay, here's the thing. I think these are just gonna be placed anywhere. Is there any way... Oh, there's cleanup blocks. But there's no, like, folders. That's okay. We'll work with it. Oh, wait. We've got this. So we... Oh, great. We can, like... Yeah, okay, cool. Because that's going to be necessary. So... Wait, does this not get... Can we not do parameters? Oof. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so we can't use parameters. That's gonna make stuff tough, but that's fine. Can I get rid of this? Yeah. We don't need that. Okay, so... Here's where we start the game type. This is gonna get ugly fast. They should have given us a little bit more stuff to work with as far as organization goes. Like, I would like parameters, and I would like folders for this stuff, because there's not a lot of space here. But that's fine. Okay, so rule. This rule is going to... I don't know what this actually is for. So, great, don't care. Okay, I know what the events are, but I think it's just the name of the event. That's fine. So this will be game type started. On game mode started. So I don't even know if there's any variables here. So no conditions, actions, set variable, global variable, rounds played is 0. So we already have a way to basically set the round number to 0. That's good. Well, actually, we start on round 1 in COD Zombies, so we'll start on round 1. Now we're gonna have to call a subroutine, which is gonna be an event. Event round changed, and we will just call that every time we change the round number, because that'll give us a chance to do like a bunch of stuff. Let's see. So another thing we're gonna need to track is the health of the zombies. Now the thing is, we could store a variable for this, but if we do, we're going to use one of our 16 slots, and this is not something I want to use that for. So we will just calculate it every time. You also can't return in subroutines, which means I'm going to have to reuse this code everywhere, but whatever. So, here's the thing. I don't know. We may have to actually do that because... Shit, I take that back. Okay. So we probably need another team variable? So team... Actually, wait, no, we don't... This will be another global variable, and it'll be zombie health. And I don't want to be too, like, liberal with my variables, because if I use too many, we're going to get screwed in the end. But for now, this will be fine. So we will take global rounds played, and we will multiply... Okay, so in Treyarch Zombies, if I remember correctly... Or no, it's... We'll just go to _ZM. Because it's in _ZM. Why did this lock up? Oh wait, no, it's in zombie utility, I think. Zombie health increase. So this will be... I think it's like they start at 100 health, and then they go to like 200, or basically they go up to 1,000 by rounds, and then when they get to round 10, they start doing this like multiplication thing. So yeah, it's like here. So this is AI calculate health. So we will literally copy paste this. So the health is going to be set to the zombie health start. So we will predefine that in here. So set variable global zombie health to be a constant number, which I believe the start is 100. It's 150. Okay. By the way, these numbers are not going to line up, so we might have to tune them. That's okay. So you should be able to use a literal here, and we will just do like, shit, I don't know. Yeah, let's just do 150 for now. Okay, so we set zombie health to 150. Okay, Rich, alright, I need you to chill for now. Okay, then we have to continue copying this. So for I equals 2, I is less than the round number, I plus plus. There should be 4 loops in here. Loop, yes. Okay, loop, variable. Wait, do we need a variable slot? No. That sucks. Oh no. Concurrency. Fuck. Dude, do I have to make a variable I? Oh shit. Okay, I know a way to use a bunch of I's, but I would have to put them on the player, and it would still use one of our object variables. Okay, no. We're gonna use multiplication. We'll turn this into a math problem instead of like this. So they do basically if I is greater than 10, greater than or equal to 10. Otherwise we do zombie health equals health plus. Okay, so we do zombie health increase times. Okay, hold on. Take this, math, add, no, multiply, I think. Yeah, multiply 150. No. Oh, zombie health increase. So their zombie health increase is 100, right? Yeah. Okay, so we need a literal for 100. So we'll just do 100. And we will multiply this by round number. They probably have a math.max, right? Yes, they do. But we actually need min. Awesome, I'm smart. Min. Min. They don't have a math.min? No way. What? How do you have math.max, but you don't have math.min? What the hell? They're the same fucking thing. They have greater than, right? They have greater than. Divide. Dot product. Max. Modulo. Multiply. Normalize. Raise to power. I guess we could do subtract and abs. Well, no, wait, that didn't make any sense. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to, like, think about logically how min even works. So min is just if A is less than B, or is less than equal to B, return A, otherwise return B. So how can we turn that into a math equation? It's logic. It's logical. So I don't think it's going to turn into a math equation. I mean, CPUs do it by math, but I don't know how to do it. So yeah, I don't know how to do this purely mathematically. So I'm a shit programmer. But that's okay. We'll just do an if statement. Oh, they do have conditionals. Okay, okay, they have conditionals. So if great, this is not gonna go well. So if rounds played, wait, why won't this go in there? Bruh. Oh, that's why. So greater than equal to if rounds played. Oh wait, why can't I put that in there? You're a number. Do I have to cast? How do I get the int value? Get game mode score. Input number, number. Okay, great. My variable is a number. How do I tell you that it's a number? Cast. You don't have casting. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. I can't put this in a multiplier. What the fuck? Oh, wait a minute. That's why. I didn't do get variable. So get variable is different? Wait, no. What the fuck? Okay, get variable. Great. Does this work? This works. What the fuck is this? Set variable. Oh, so this is a variable reference. This is a reference. This is a shallow copy. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, so this is... Wow, this is already ugly as fuck. This is way too much horizontal space, but that's okay. So... So who's getting trolled by EA devs? Yeah, dude, they don't have a min function. What the fuck? They don't have a min function. Oh, man. I mean, I guess there is a way to do it mathematically. If you did, like... You could do a multiplication operation. So you could do, like, A times B minus A and not 0x80000000. You could probably do that, and then the inverse, and that would probably do it. But why the I don't even. They probably do not even have bitwise. Yeah, they don't have bitwise math, so like that's not gonna happen. Okay, so we have greater than or equal to. Get variable global, variable rounds played. So we have variable is greater than. So if we are greater than round 10, then we're gonna do this variable. Otherwise, we're gonna do a different variable. Do they have like a... They have a max. So what I'm thinking is I might be able to optimize this a little bit. So we like get the round number and we do minus 10 actually. Math. Subtract. Subtract this. Wait, what is the order for this? Cool. I still don't know what the order is. I'm assuming subtract this from this. We will get server file soon. Hog. So we're going to subtract 10 from this, get the maximum value out of 0. So what this will do, this will basically say if the round is greater than or equal to 0. I mean, greater than equal to 10. This is going to be greater than whatever. So this number is actually what they're using here. This number is this number. So then we would need the min number. But I think what we can actually do is subtract this from. Can you? Yeah, you can duplicate. So we can subtract this from the round number, and that will give us the remaining, which is this. So what we should be able to do is basically take subtract here, here. Then we should need the round number. So we have the round number minus the remainder of subtracting 10 from this. So that, and then we will multiply this by 100 and add this to 150. And then we will take this number here and add this to this number times... Oh, you do need a for loop because they do like a power thing. Wait a minute, let me convert this to a math equation because this might actually be like able to be consolidated. So it does health times equals, well, it's really just health times 1 plus the health times... Wait, no. Oh, so they multiply it by the increase multiplier mult to the nth power, n being the round number. Plus 1 times health, I think. Because, I mean, that's what it looks like. And then if this overflows it... I actually don't know what the variable types of these are. I'm assuming they're all ints. Probably similar to like JavaScript in their VM or something. Okay, let's see. 50 plus 100x, then 150 times 1.1 time to the x minus 10. Okay. Let me look at that. Cause I think what I did... Is it 1.1? Yeah, it is 1.1. So yeah, it's 1.1 to the round minus 10 plus round minus 10 max this 0. What the fuck is this background? Okay. Then we take that, and that's multiplied by the 100 and added to the 150. So, like, that's our whole thing. Which is this monstrosity added to this times 1.1, so we need a literal 1.1. Then we need power, which I'm sure they have. Yes. 1.1 to the round number power, but it's actually this power times the zombie health, which is this. Okay, but oh no. Here's okay. So if round... This only applies... This is horrible. Oh my gosh, this is breaking my brain. Raise to power. Is this even accurate? Old health equals level at zombie health. Yeah, okay. So basically add until it's that. And then we multiply. So my problem is I can't multiply this by this because this might be... Well, I can. I could do max on this. And then just put a 1 in. Because this 1 right here... and just delete this node and make that a multiply. So what this will do is basically raise to power 1.1. So if this returns 0... Wait. This subtracts 10 from the current round, and then puts it at 0 if it's negative, and then raises 1.1 to that power. So for the first 10 rounds, this is going to be 0, which means this will be 1.1 to the 0 power, which is 1. So I don't need this max 1. I can actually just leave this alone. So this will be 1. And then eventually, like on round 11, this will be 1.1 to the 1, or to the, yeah, 1. Then it'll be 1.1 to the 2, then 1.1 to the 3. So that's correct. So then this is adding, so this is subtracting rounds played and this variable here, which is basically seeing if it's the first 10 rounds. And then this is, wait. Wow, this is a really complicated way to do this. I don't know how I came up with this. But yeah, this is correct. Okay, so this is the zombie health formula. Yay. And we put that in there, and now we have zombie health. Going great, boys. Throw that on Twitter. Okay, so this is our zombie health, and then we will take this. I mean, that's literally this formula. So there you go, Treyarch. You can do it mathematically like this. So then we need to call event round changed here. That's going to calculate zombie health. Now that we have a zombie health variable, what's up, Uni? Let's add another rule. This rule is going to be zombie spawned. This event is going to be on player deployed. Condition is going to be so on player deployed, we want to check if this is a bot. Now here's a problem. The only way this is going to work is if we know what team is what. And I don't know what you can do about teams here. So there's set team ID and get team ID. I don't know what team ID is what. That's the issue here. There's no unique identifier for this. So like the only way to do this would be trial and error. I am going to assume for the purposes of this that it's just there's no identifier. I can't tell if they're a bot or not, you know? I can make an array though? No. I would have to make an AI array variable here. But I think you can just get all the players with a team. Like you could just get players and then like, oh, but you need a variable for this, brother. There's some really heavy restrictions here. Okay, so we need to figure out a way to identify a player from a bot. Like that we can think of that. Actually, Uni made a really good point, which I might use. So he... Let me make sure this all saved. Yeah, I did. Okay, so the way he said that he thought it should work is that you have Team 1 and Team 2. We know Team 2 is the Bad Company 2 team. We know Team 1 is the Battlefield 3 team. So we may be able to actually mess around with that in some way. Now the question is how? Because they don't have any literals here related to like the actual team, and I don't know what the variable is. So like, okay, where's this event? There's like an event player in here. I don't know where it is. So we have event play. Oh, so we have event team, by the way. That's useful. I don't know what type. This is a team ID. Problem is, we don't have an enumeration of the team IDs, right? So, like, there's no way to distinguish A from B because we don't know what the IDs for A and B are. All we know is that we're different. So what is... Actually, I do know a way to do it. We can get the health of the players. Okay? If our players spawn with a different health, we can use their health as a way to uniquely identify them. That's... maybe we use a constant variable, actually. Because health can change. I wonder if there's attributes. If I can read any of these attributes, we can use this to uniquely identify. So let's check what we can get about the player. So we can get their kills, their deaths, their team ID. Does team ID mean team name? That's the problem. I don't know if a team ID is a string. And the only way I'll know is when I test in-game. But obviously we don't have that option right now. Get player state, inventory. Oh. Is player using soldier? What is this? Player soldier's item. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's going to work. So we don't need event team. We need event player. So we can check if they're a zombie. Here we go. I did not even know this was a thing. Wait, do they have a player ID in here? Or do they have a team ID in here? They have factions. What are you? You're a factions item. Okay. Well, here's the thing. The factions, that's how we're distinguishing them right now. What else do we have? Custom message, inventory character, player inventory slots, medic, inventory melee. We can use these to spawn weapons, I think, which would be cool. Inventory secondary, player soldiers, player state. Wow, there it is. Look at that. Is AI soldier. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we need this, but we also need to know what team they're on, because if we don't know what team they're on, We can't guarantee that they are. We can't guarantee that they're a bot because here's the thing: A is AI soldier. That could be an AI on the enemy team. That could be an AI on our team. Actually, I think I restricted there to be no AI on our team, so let me see that really quickly. I don't. Ah, yes, I've set 0 here. Oh, this is only PvE AI. I don't know if we can. You know, this. I don't want to take the chance that there's a bug, so we're gonna see if we can distinguish their team. We can get their team ID. But what? Why? Okay, here's my question, right? Why is this stuff not accessible about the player? What? Where is this even at? Is player using soldier? Where was this at? Player? Yeah. Then we have a player state bool. Is AI soldier? Oh, would this have to be the get player state? Hell. Okay. Yeah, so this would be how we get if they're in AI. So this is our AI template. If they're using the soldier that we have in the selection list, player soldiers, and then we want to see, I think we put them on bad company too. So do we know, do we have to do an or statement? Oh no, did I not save that? Wait, it saved it. Okay. Teams. So you are bad company too, but the problem is we don't know whether you're RU or US. So do we have to do an or statement every time? This is why we need functions with return statements. Granted, this entire thing is synchronous. There's no threads. So we could just use a temporary variable like return, which I think I'm going to do. And we'll just store our return value from a subroutine in here. So like that should give us a lot more flexibility, right? And we could even have an arguments parameter. Like args. Oh, whoop, I don't like that. But then we'll need an I variable. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. Okay, so we'll just use a return variable. So let's do subroutine. Ret, or we'll just do B is player AI. Oh, but yeah, we don't. Is this gonna? This is not gonna like this. But let's see if it'll let us. Set variable. Return value. Wait, this works? Okay. Okay, so we need an or. And we'll just copy this. And we will just do... Wait. We know they're using recon, right? So they're always using recon. Right? Oh, don't do that. No! Fucking piece of shit! That's gone, isn't it? Ugh. Fuck you. Okay, let's try that again. Is zombie. Okay, so we have this, then we need a return variable. How did that just happen? Okay. Close. Yeah. set variable, return. Then we need player, is player using soldier, literals, no, selection list, player soldier, where is it? Player soldiers, Russian, recon, and then, actually we'll come back to that, player, actually we won't, there we go, event player. If we're using this, or we're using this, so either of these, I don't know if these are the same thing, but they're probably not, so we're just going to consider both of them. So we need an and an or. So this is the or, and then the and is going to be player. Get player state. Is AI soldier. Event player. Boom. 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 So the return value after calling this is basically saying that the player is an AI soldier, and they're using BC2 recon or BC2 recon on Russian, so US or Russian. So we can use this subroutine now to check if the player is an AI, which should allow us to use some pretty nice checks here. So we have an if. Wait, can we not put it? Brother. Oh, okay. If. So we need to call subroutine be is zombie. Wait, what the fuck? No, I put that in the wrong place. Okay, I don't like this already, but we'll put this here. So be is zombie. No, we got to call this first. That'll store our return value, and then we get our variable. Oh, whoops, that's the reference. That is a return value. So if we are a zombie, finally, thank you for your hard work. Thanks, man. Is it really that deep and complex? Like, how much potential does it have? A lot. A lot of potential. There's a ton of potential here. It's really limited, but it's like, it's limited in the sense that it's like assembly. Like, yes, there's a lot of things missing that you would love to have, but you can do some pretty cool shit with it. Like, I already think, just off of what I've seen off of it, I mean, we can probably do... we can probably do... So, Horde AI is definite. We can't edit their spawn points, I don't think. But we can edit their spawn, like, speed and stuff. And we can definitely do round-based. That's definitely a thing. So, round-based is going to work. Respawns are going to work. AI spawns are going to work. Point system is possible. So we might be able to do that. Perk system, probably not. But we'll see. You know, we maybe just make our own perks. Mystery box system, probably not. Pack-a-punch system, potentially, but it'll be weird. So, like, there's a lot of stuff we can actually do here. So, like, what this is doing, so zombie spawned, actions be a zombie if get variable global. Okay, great. So this is our, like, on zombie spawned event. So now we need to call event, not event round change. And actually, let's do something better. Let's do, ZM underscore update zomb health. No, we don't actually want to do that. So we'll do event payload, event player, player, set health. Where is this? I thought you could set their health. Oh, here it is. That's why, because these are gets and these are sets. I see. So we have heal, set player max health, and I guess we'll have to also probably heal them, right? Because I don't think setting their max health sets their health. I wouldn't assume it does. What does this block do? Number player sets the amount of health gained in an instant for a target player. Healed by a healer player. So we'll just make them heal themselves to that. So set player max health to um, the global variable, which represents the zombie health. Okay. Then on respawn teleport. That's the problem. I don't know if there's any way. Wait, did you say teleport player? I don't see it. Oh, teleport. We can do spawns! Uni, good shit! Oh my gosh! This shit is so good! Okay, we can definitely do spawns. Okay, spawn... Dude, that's like the whole game mode. Oh, that's awesome. Good shit. Okay, okay, okay. We can do spawns. Um, so we set their max health. And then we will just heal them to their max health. Okay. So this sets their health. Zombies now have health. So the next thing we need to do is we need a variable for the number of zombies that are alive. Actually, I know how to get a ton more variables. We'll do this as a player variable, and we're gonna do it. Actually, no, we won't. So I'm gonna try something. So variable array. So we have the variable array, right? Okay. Um, get variable array. Arrays set variable at index. And we literally just use literals. Can we? Oh, we can't use strings for indexes? Okay, that's okay. That would have made it cleaner. But we just... Wait, what? Help. Variable... Oh, whoops. Oh, whoops. You go there. Create variable that stores variables. Yes! Exactly. No, you're right. You're absolutely right. That's what we're doing, Uni. We're using an array. And we're just going to give them all unique IDs. And I'll just store them in a notepad or something. Like, I'll literally just make a notepad. And we will use this notepad to track all of our variable IDs. So, like, we'll say, like, health is equal to 1. And we'll just... I mean, if that's what we got to do, that's what we got to do. What in the fuck is this music? Virtual Riot. I mean, it's alright, but, like, I don't know, it's weird. Okay, so that's what we're gonna have to do. If we want any, like, serious control over this. So, we're gonna remove variable array. We're gonna do a new variable called zombie globals. And that's honestly where zombie health and rounds played should go. So we're gonna replace all their references right now. We're gonna have to start using set variable. Oh wait, did they? Oh yeah, here we go. Value in array? What is that? How do we get... I'm confused. So, like, I want to get... So we have zombie globals, right? And we have arrays. Is value in array gonna... Oh, provided index. Okay, that's how we do it. So this is the variable, right? Where does the variable go? Wait, is this not... Oh, because this is not a get variable. We need this. Okay. So I'm assuming we first have to set variable. And then we should just be able to get an empty array, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's been defined. So we can change this zombie globals, and then we need like the index of it. Now we can't use strings, can we? No. Uh, I know a way to do it by string, but it would be really ugly. It would be better though. So like if we wanted to get, we could use a subroutine, right? So we could do subroutine v lookup actually it's not v, that's, we'll do val lookup zombie global. So we make a subroutine, and in the subroutine we use the return value, and we use this array. And so we would need parameters too. So we'll make a parameters. We'll make a parameters global. And it's in the array. Now the issue is I don't know if arrays are multi-typed, but I think they are. So we'll make an arguments array. We'll get the variable arguments. This is going to be an array. And we will get array index 0. Man, this is so complicated. What the fuck? So this will get the argument that we want at index 0. And then we will literally just do if this value, can we do text comparison? We have not equals to, oh, we have equals, okay. So if this equals, zombie health, right? Then we do variables, set variable, return address, value in array, zombie zombie globals 0. Okay, this is the level of garbage we have to do to like get associative arrays, but we'll do it. Okay. So yeah, so basically what this does, we call val lookup zombie and global, then the return value is going to be set to the global zombie locals 0. So basically this has to always be uniquely assigned to this, but it'll always be in script now, which is good. That's better than like a notepad. And then we have if zombie health is equal to the argument 0. So we have arguments and we have a return value. So what we can now do with that, let me also do one of these for round number. And we will change that to a 1. And we just throw that there. And now we can actually go into here. Okay. So what we would call is this function here. Okay. Event round changed. So we would call this. Oh, this is not going to work too well. Because when we want to use more than one variable at once, we're not going to have... Okay. New plan. Fuck me. This is so complicated. That's okay. I have plans. Shut up, Kai. Okay, I know how to get more than one variable. And this is going to be really stupid. We're going to need an I variable eventually. So just going to make this index. And we're going to set the global variable index. Oh wait, all my other global variables are index capitalized. Set index to be the literal number 0. So we can actually go now and yeah, return's gonna have to get replaced. Return is now gonna be, oh wait a minute, this isn't gonna work because, well, it'll just return them in numerical order. So if you ask for more than one, yeah, okay. This is really stupidly complicated, but it'll work. This is what you have to do to get their system to, like, you know, like I was saying, like before this even released, I'm like, okay, if you put the right people in front of this, this is extremely powerful. But it takes so much work to get even the stupidest shit done. Okay, so we're literally going to go into return, and return is now going to be a variable. I mean, a array. So, like, on game type started, set return to an empty array, and set arguments to an empty array. Okay, so each time that we want to set, or basically go into a subroutine, we need to do this, like every time we call a subroutine. Because then what this will allow us to do with arguments in return is we use these three to, like, index and return multiple variables. Have you reached functionality yet? Lol. How do you get access to Portal? Just go to the website. Just go to the website. Yeah, I'll send the link. But yeah, no, Leaf, I have not reached functionality yet, and we won't be able to test until launch day. But it's fine. We've got some cool shit coming. So what we're going to do now is we're literally just going to get the index, and we're going to use the index variable. So we have zombie health, value in array, global arguments. Instead, we're going to do arguments index, okay? And then inside of this, we're going to set, instead of setting return, we're going to set variable at index, get variable return. The index is going to be index as well. What is this random 0 doing here? Okay. We're going to set... Wait a minute. What? Oh, we have to call get variable. Whoops. So we use index here. And then the variable is going to be the return value that we want. This, which will, instead of using 0, use the index as well. And then we're going to change this code to also increment add set variable index to be the addition of index and 1. Actually, we want this. This will increment index. So what this does, this clears the return array, the arguments array. Oh wait, we definitely do not want to clear the arguments array. What am I doing? Okay. Whoops. Don't kill the argument array. Okay. So we clear return, we clear index, and then we say if zombie health is in arguments index, which is effectively this code that I'm about to write down because I'm losing track of everything. So we say global arguments index. What is that? Oh, that was weird. If zombie health equals that, then we set return at index to be zombie globals. Wait. No, that's not right. That should be our constant. Because that's the zombie health. Yeah, hold on. Go away. This is zombie index 1. Seriously about to do the same thing I did, literally all of Uno before even testing once, except it's a lot bigger. What language is it based in? Or is it their own custom stuff? It's their, I don't know. I think it's their scripting engine, but I think they like made it for the public. But yeah, I think it's their Frostbite VM. Okay, so zombie global 0. Now, the thing is, we have to make sure that this is initialized too. So this lookup is actually going to be, you can't rename it. Yes, you can. Okay. So val get zombie global, and then we'll have val set zombie global too. And then this increments index. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I just thought about something. Well, that's going to just be a complicated bug. What if you just play COD Zombies instead? Play the laugh track. Me6. Hook me up. Just kidding. Okay, so let's do, instead of zombie health, let's do round number 1. Boom. Okay, so now we've got a persistent way to save and load actual variables that we want. So we can copy the subroutine to do val set zombie global as well. So we will do that. Whoops. Maybe not do that. Okay, subroutine, create, set zombie global. So in set zombie global, we're going to need to, again, do this. Well, I guess we'll just copy one at a time, so it won't let me copy both. Okay. And we need an if. Don't you dare me seeks me. I will ban me seeks.
I was gonna put the laugh track on my soundboard. Now I don't want to do it anymore.
Don't do it.
I don't want to.
Cry about it.
Yeah, you try that reverse psychology.
Who? Okay, so instead of get index and value in array here, we're going to do... Oh, wait, yeah, we will. So yeah, this checks if our first argument is zombie health. Oh, wait, this won't work, though. Okay, that's okay. We'll do a for loop. While... Is there an array size? Yeah, count of arguments. Yeah. Doesn't like that, so I guess we need this. So count of arguments. Math is going to be greater than. Wait, they definitely have a for loop. Yeah, loop variable. Okay, so they have loop index from 0 to count of arguments by 1. Now, the thing is, I don't know. Let's see. They should tell us whether it goes to it or not. So, reaches or passes the range and value. Loop exit. So if it reaches it, so if we reach count, we exit. Cool. Okay. So it's like a normal for loop. So now we have a for loop that goes from 0 to the end of the arguments. So if the index in the arguments is equal to zombie health, then we are going to set... oh, we need a second... No, we don't. No, we don't. We can just populate return by its size. So we can do set variable at index, return. The value is going to be... wait, so we want zombie health, which will be this variable. And then this variable here is going to be So zombie global 0. So zombie global 0 is zombie health, yeah. Wait, no. That's the value. The index is going to be arrays, count of, then this array, which we need the get variable return. So we set variable index count up. So does that work? Or is it going to get mad at us? Or do you need to call append to array? What does append to array do? Oh, okay, so this probably actually does not work. So we need to probably... Well... Do we have to set... Probably. Wow, this is really bad. Like for performance, whatever. So set return to append to array. This. Oh, but we, I guess, need a get variable for that now? So this sets the return to the appended array being the return values plus the zombie global 0, which is health. So that will add that to the array. Cool. That means you're gonna get it in the order that you ask for it, which is perfect and probably better than this. Which means I might actually want to modify this code to work a little bit differently. But yeah, this works. Okay. How long have you been working on this overall? Since the stream started? So like an hour and a half? Make a community and add Pepe Smile? What is a community? Okay. So, val get zombie global. So I kind of want to do this kind of same concept here. Like, I really like how this actually like populates return the way you asked for it. Although this should work too, because oh wait, this isn't gonna work because yeah, you have to do this thing. So actually, we don't even need index for this. Because yeah, we can literally just set return to be append to array return plus 0. And then we do the same thing in here, except we use 1. Now, the only issue is we got to keep this and this synchronized, which I don't like. But I don't know if there's a way... I'm sure, actually, we could use the arguments to, like, synchronize this to where we can have, like, get or set as a boolean. But I cannot be asked to do that. I'm tired of restarting this function, so we're just going to do this. I don't care how bad it is either. I'm sure there's probably a better way to do this anyway, but... Okay, so now we have a persistent way to store as many variables as we want. So what that means is... Now we have to refactor all this code. It'll be like injecting SPRX through Webman. What? Okay. So rounds played is going to go away. Instead, what I'll do... Oh, wait, we don't... Wait, this is just getting... What the fuck did I just do? Did I just go full... I definitely did. This literally just does what this does. What the fuck was the... Why the Yeah, okay. Whatever, dude. Let's instead try setting zombie global now. Big brain. Okay, so our argument, like, I guess, can you... I don't think you can add comments, can you? I don't think there's any way to add comments. So, I'll just have to remember, I guess, that, Actually, I know how to set comments. We just have to find an array, or like a node that does nothing. Um, yeah, I know what to do. So, the condition here is going to be logic not equal to... Wait, we can't... What is the logic? How do you... I don't understand how this logic works. Or like this conditions thing works. How do you... What are conditions? Hello? Oh, here we go. Oh, they have a weight? Brother. They have a weight. Yes. I didn't know they had that. Okay, cool. Okay, I know what I'll do. So if we want some kind of comment here, literally we just set return to be a literal string, which is the comment. So we'll just set return to something. So like this, we'll use this as our comment system. So arg0 is going to be var name. Arg1 is going to be var value. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we'll do that, I guess, up here too. Args variable names like that. Okay. So then what we can do is use some shit like this. If zombie health equals arguments and not index, we're instead going to do a literal 0. If global variable return... Actually, no, we're not going to do that. So we instead want this to do array set variable index and not return. We actually want to set the global variable for zombie globals. The index will be 0, which is for zombie health. And then we will get value in array 1. Okay, and that'll set our global variable. And so we can take this and copy this, and now we have one for round number 2. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, okay. Okay. Argument 0. So this is just... So this is the one that we want to be 1. Okay. Cool. So now we have set zombie global and get zombie global. So let's start fixing the rounds played and stuff. So set variable rounds played, subroutines, set zombie global, and we need to populate arrays. Oh, but they're gonna make us like... I swear they don't. They're definitely not going to make us use append to array every time, right? Like, I wonder if arrays have dynamic sizes. That's my problem. I don't know if set variable in it. Probably not. Oh, this is so cancerous. Okay, set variable at index. Variable will be, I guess, this. Arguments. Append to array. Actually, wait, we just want a set variable. Arguments, append to array. The get variable version of arguments. And then this is our first variable. So this is our literal. So we want to get round number, right? And then we have to duplicate this to set the second parameter. Which this will be the number, which we want to set it to round 1. And so we can just delete that, and there we go. This code here is how we set a zombie variable. This 4-line thing, which is absolutely fucking cancer, but it's the only way we're going to be able to use a bunch of variables. So yeah, now we have zombie globals. Although this does not include increasing the size of the zombie globals array to meet the requirements. So, yay. I guess for the default values, I can actually get away with... So I'm just going to take these blocks up here. Let me also do that here. Dude, I'm so fucking lost. Like, this is so complicated for no reason. Okay, set variable. Instead, we're gonna do zombie globals. Zombie globals. This is how we're gonna initialize the array. So the first variable is going to be zombie health. And it's just going to be defaulted to nothing. Like all global variables are just going to be defaulted to their name. So like they can be considered undefined pretty much. Like undefined behavior pretty much if they're not used. And then we'll have round number. Okay. This initializes our default variables. Then we are going to set round number to 1 right here. Actually, this thing has to come first, I just realized. Okay. So we set our zombie variables. We set our arguments to nothing. We set our return to nothing. Then we set our arguments to empty array, round number, and 1. Then we set zombie global, which does all this shit. Okay. And then we call event round changed. Nice. So we check B is zombie. Also, I don't like... Can we... Yeah, perfect. That's a lot better. All this shit to set and get a variable, by the way. Like, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Okay, Oh, wait. This... got screwed up. Oh, yeah, because it was... Oh, yeah, we can just set the return type in here, actually. That's okay. You can probably change the round numbers by using set game mode score. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I probably will. but I'm doing like a million framework things so that we have like enough flexibility to do all of the complicated stuff because there's like a lot of variables that are in play with zombies, and 16 is not enough. What I don't understand is why they give you 16 variables but uncapped array sizes. So like you're literally going to be storing like ridiculous amounts with this kind of thing. But whatever. um Event round changed. So we set variable zombie health. So instead of doing that, we're going to be actually doing set zombie global, which is going to be this fucking mess. Um, oh, we're not going to have local or... Fuck. We're going to need like throwaway variables. Are you only allowed 16 variables? 16 variables? Not for the entity, Leaf. You are allowed 16 variables, period. You have 16 global variables and 16 object variables. There are no such thing as local variables, by the way. Yeah, this shit's ridiculous. Like, what the fuck? You're giving us 32 total variables to do the entire game mode. That's a fucking challenge. That is a fucking challenge. Okay. This is going to let us set zombie health. But the issue is, this math depends on getting zombie variables. So we will call getZombie global. But first we need to use the arguments. So we have to do this. And then I think it's just variable names. So we want in position 0 rounds played, which is round number. And I don't think we need anything else, do we? No. Okay. So val zombie get global. Now in all the places we have here, we're instead going to do yeah, we need another variable, I think. Locals, I guess. We'll just use this like a stack, pretty much. I mean, there's not shit else we can do. So first we have to set variable locals to an empty array. By the way, I think if the developers see this, they're gonna switch the way Portal works and not allow us to do this anymore. Because this is circumventing all of their, like, shit. This is circumventing fucking everything. So you store everything in an array. Yes. You store everything in an array. That's why I'm doing all of this crazy bullshit. Because this is letting me get around the variable limits. So we set locals to an empty array. And then what we're going to do is... we're going to set variable... No. We need this. But we need append to array. What did I just do? We need append to array locals. And we are going to append the return value, which will be arrays, value in array, variables, get variable, return value, literal 0. So we requested round number, right? So we got round number in our return. So we're appending this stored value to our locals. And then we call this function here. It clears our arguments, but it's okay. Then our arguments get zombies health. Set that to one. Wait, what is this? Set zombie global. Okay, so now we need to do our calculations in here. Instead of this 1, we want this bad boy. And then instead of... Wait, what does this subtract? Why is this empty? Was this rounds played? That was rounds played, right? Yeah. So this rounds played is going to get replaced with... value in array, locals 0. And we will just replace all of the rounds played with that. Okay. This is a fucking mess, but it's gonna work. I wonder what their reason was for limiting variables. I don't know. It was probably because they don't want like crazy server overhead or something, or like I don't know, memory regions or something. But they gave us arrays, so we can do whatever the fuck we want. I don't. It's crazy. But yeah, look at this fucking bad boy. That's setting zombie health. Let's go. Okay, so we've got... You know, I wish I could test this because I feel like this is so complicated that something's bound not to work, but it's okay. Okay, so this... So now we have be a zombie, get variable... zombie health. No. Return. Okay. Set player... Okay, so now we gotta do this whole fucking thing again. We gotta get zombie global, which is gonna be this whole thing. Wish you could copy, like, all of these. So we have locals, empty array, arguments, empty array, append to array, global arguments, round number. So we don't actually want round number now. We want zombie health. Which, by the way, did I do that here? Yeah. We set arguments to zombie health appended, and then, yeah, okay. So we take this. This goes here. And then we do, instead of get variable zombie health, we do get variable... Wait. No, this is not right. Wait, is it? Locals return. Yeah, so we want this, which is the return value 0. And then this is going to be the same thing. Okay. So let's clean up our blocks. Let's save this. Okay. So we can now set the zombie health, depending on the round number. And we can determine if they're a zombie or not. And it's been an hour and a half, I think. An hour and 45 minutes. This is fucking pog. I don't care how complicated this is, because at the end of the day, this is full server scripting on Battlefield, which is still sick. So, whatever. Okay. Okay. Now what? Okay, so we've got... event round changed. So what does this do so far? Okay, so this fixes the zombie health on round change, so that's good. Let's use this as a comment here. Never mind. I don't care enough. Okay. So we set the zombie health. We also need to set the number of global zombies we're going to use. Hold on, let me clean up my variables because now we don't need this. Don't need this. Okay. So we need to make a new zombie variable at index 3 now. Which will be this. Or index 2, I'm sorry. And this will be zombie count. So this is the number of zombies we have remaining in the round, okay? Then we need to go ahead and make the equivalent version of the set operator on it, which will be zombie count. And then we change this to a 2. Okay. So now we got our get and our set methods. Oh, go away. Save that. What if there's a max size for the scripting? I hope not, because this is going to be gigantic when it's done. What is this? Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay. So I think what we should do to initialize this... Oh yeah, we also have to do this. I need to remember this, because if I start forgetting this, I'm going to screw up the array. Zombie count. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Wait, what did that just... Nice. Okay. So... let's go ahead and do another set. I bet there... well, no. Okay. This. Zombie count. So we're going to set this to the default zombie count, which I actually don't know what the default zombie count is. Get zombie count per round. Okay. And so I guess that'll be based on the number of human players, which I can make a little subroutine for. But we're not going to copy this exactly. I think we'll just always consider there to be like 2 players, because that's like a happy medium. I don't want there to be like... well... we could do the size of the human team. I just don't want... ugh. This is fucking brutal. Okay. So how does this even work anyway? Like zombie max AI. What is this max? What is this variable? $24? What's that about? This is weird. Max isn't even used. What the fuck was the point of that? Oh, I guess it is. So this takes the maximum number of AI you have, and then there's a multiplier. Multiplier times n round times 0.15. I love how complicated this fucking function is for no reason. It's gonna make me miserable. N round divided by 5 is a multiplier. If it's less than 1, it equals to 1. If it's greater than or equal to 10, multiplier times n round times... We're not gonna do this. No, we're not gonna do this at all. This is insane, though. Yeah, okay, so we're not going to copy this because this would literally probably take me like 3 hours to remake that shitty function. So instead we'll just like get a math equation like approximately close to it. So like right now what I'm seeing is we have a multiplier and we have a max, okay? Now this stuff here we're just going to ignore, okay? I just don't care, right? I mean, technically we could get a variable, so we could do like math.max. No, we're not doing that. Fuck that. Okay. So ignoring this, we will just say that the multiplier is we'll say it's just n round times 0.15 plus 1 so what is zombie AI per player? 6 times 6. Well, we'll just do this. Or, nah, we'll do this. I don't know. And then times n human players. Okay, so I don't know if there's a way to get human players count or not. But there probably is. I know there's a player state pool, so if we could literally just check if not is AI soldier. Is there not a way to get player? No. Okay, so variables, controls, loop variable, variables, get variable. Oh no. Get variable index from literal 0 to count of player, get players. Actually, we could just make a level zombie variable for when, like, do they have an event for like on connected? They might. On player join game, yeah. So we could just track the number of players of this event and not have to do this like calculation every time. So we're probably gonna do that. So let's just add that up here. On human join. And we will just actually use B is zombie. And then just do a not. If logic not. Which means we'll come back to setting the zombie variable because we need to make another variable for the player count. If not, get variable return. Shit. We'll come back to that. Okay, so we need to make the variable first. So this goes here. Player count. Let's go down here. Three. And then okay, so now we have a player count variable. Let's clean up our blocks. Okay. So we have B as zombie. So if we're not a zombie, we want to... Actually, I'm worried about this not running first. Is it possible to run this stuff before the events? No. I guess this has to go in there. Okay, so val get zombie global. So we need to use val get zombie global. We need our arguments array to be empty. Damn it, I'm trying to find where I used this. Okay, so we need this. We need this. Say player count. And actually, we want to set that to 0 in here. So I need to do that in a second. Let me just put that on my to-do. Set player count to 0 initially. I don't like how pre-orders right here. First of all, I already own the game on PC, so this is like dumb as fuck, but you know, whatever. Player count, val get zombie global. So we have it in our return value. So now we have the return value for player count, and we need to take that math, add a constant of 1, and then now we have to set the variable using... Okay, so we need a local variable for this, so we will do... Here's my locals thing, yeah. Wait, where did that go? There it is. Actually, we can probably get away with doing that for the first element. And then we would do this, and then append to array. empty array, arrays, value in array, variables, give variable, local, literal, 0, boom, boom, set zombie global. But I think first comes the key, right? It's key then value? Yeah, so actually we need to do second one of these. No. And then inside of empty array, save it. We need to put a literal string for player count. So this is how you increment a fucking zombie global. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. So set, I mean, I bet I can make prototypes for all this shit, but I'm imagining to make macros or something. Set variable, global variable, arguments, empty array, set variable, append to array. Get. Then we store the value returned in an array, add 1 to it, append that to the locals. Then local 0 is the value that we set for player count. Okay, so this will increment the player count. Now I'll come back and decrement it when a player leaves in a second. Let's clean up our blocks. So now I need to initialize the actual value of this. Maybe I won't. I'll just use comments if I want like defaults here, because it'll be a lot cleaner. So we will instead do set variable to round number. So we'll have this come first. Then in the literals, the number will be 1 for round number. And that lets us delete that and that and that. Okay. Then we will do the same thing for the zombie count. And the zombie count will just default to 0 because that'll get initialized. And then we need the player count. This will just be 0. And then we'll do the same thing up here. Zombie health. And we'll just put this as 100. Or 150, I guess, is technically the default. Okay, that's a lot better than having to, like, call that whole ridiculous fucking thing every time. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Now, we gotta decrement it as well. So we pretty much want to just copy this entire rule and change this to on player leave game. Let's clean up our blocks. And then we will change this to, we'll just add -1 instead of 1. And then we'll do something special here and do math max in case somehow we get below 1 player. Actually, yeah, it's okay. Because servers do become empty. That's actually something interesting to consider. There will be a time during the game where there are no players. So that's something to consider. And actually, that makes me think, like, I wonder what happens if, like, a zombies game keeps going after everybody leaves. So what I might need to do is, like, on human leave, I might eventually need to... Let me actually write a comment for that. Wait, did I? In B is zombie, what did I? Yeah, okay. So, to do when a player leaves, if the player count is 0, reset the mode. Because there might be an event where, like, players join into a game on, like, round 100, you know, which doesn't make any fucking sense. So, that's something to consider. What's actually cool about this, though, in the way that it is you, like, be playing zombies, like, everybody's like, okay, let's take a break. Everybody leaves the game and comes back. Now, I don't know what that would do to your score and stuff, but we'll worry about it when the time comes. Okay. So we got a consistent player count. Back to what we were trying to do, which I think was calculate... yeah. So we need the current round. So we need to get zombie global, which actually I think is already in the locals, right? Yeah, it's already in the locals here. So we will just do the round number here times 0.15, add it to 1, and then do times 6. And then multiply that by the number of human players, which is a zombie global. So we have to do this fucking thing again.
Let's go.
What's up? What's... Oh, shit, Feb's in here. Let's go.
That's why June.
Yo, Feb, have you seen this fucking scripting shit?
Yeah, I've been watching
It's cancer, dude! I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work, and it's gonna be so fucking cool.
He's gonna be
Yeah,
the
it
reason
looks
why
good.
it gets dialed back.
This shit's insane. Oh my gosh.
This is what happens when we're bored.
My fucking blocks are glitching out now. Awesome. So we want player count? But yeah, this stuff's all public, so like you can literally just copy my blocks for like my set and get zombie variables if you want, because that'll let you like do all this shit. Return 0, so that is going to be our player count, and then we have to do this. Oh wait, don't we need... Okay, I have to actually push that to the locals, I think. So it would be array, no. Yeah. So here, and instead of, yeah. I have to do this. 1. Oh no, did I delete that? No. Okay.
Let's go.
Ooh. Okay, so first comes the name, which is gonna be... What the fuck did I call this? Zombie count. And then we want the value, so... And then we want set zombie global. Let me just clean up our blocks and save it. Cool. Now we got a zombie count. And that all happens on round changed. Okay. So now we know how many zombies we want. And I wonder if I can share more than one at the same time, probably. Oh wait, but you're not going to be able to see it like the OBS does. I could just share OBS, actually. In case you guys wanted to watch without latency. Probably not horrible quality. Okay, so I can knock that off my to-do. Okay, so now what I need to do is probably spawn zombies, or make conditional spawns on zombies. So like... Probably need an on-player death at this point. On-player died, yep. Okay. So we'll do be a zombie if return. And then now we have to do a decrement of fucking zombie count. Which would be like this shit all copied, but and then we probably need like an event zombie death subroutine. And I guess we would only call this event when a player is relevant, and that event zombie death. Where is this at? Okay. Actually, that probably should go in event zombie death. Well, this is just event zombie death. So yeah, I don't need this actually. Wait, no. Okay, when a zombie dies, the zombie count goes down. And then we say... This is still the value. So we take this and we say basically if this value is less than or equal to 0. Then we would do event round next, I'm pretty sure. Actually, no, that's not true. Well, this is actually completely wrong.
I know.
All this should actually be on zombie spawned.
That's what I said.
Who? And this is instead of round next. We want to take this code, put this in zombie death. Oh, this won't work, so we have to delete that. So we have event on player deployed, which sets the variable zombie count to be 1 less than it was before. Then be a zombie if we die and there are no more zombie count spawns for us. Then in gameplay, we enable player redeploy, event payloads. Player, wait, what? Yeah. False. So we disable the spawn of a zombie if there's no more things in the round.
Mm-hmm. I still find it stupid that they only give you 8 variables.
16.
16.
But yeah, yeah. Exactly. It's okay. I've completely compromised that entire system. So
Yeah, I was really like, just at that point, just use fucking arrays. Like, just store everything there. And then you're like, that's exactly what I'm about to do.
yeah.
You read my mind.
Okay, and then we will basically say
You see, sometimes my smartness shines through. Sometimes, not all the time.
Sometimes.
Moments like this is when it needs to shine. The UI stuff, it's actually pretty like detailed.
What do you mean?
Because you could like do it to where you could set a message on the screen,
Yeah, yeah.
and you could probably set the round with that.
Oh
But it's
wait,
probably gonna be a little more tricky.
wait. Let me see. Clear. Oh,
Why can't I
that's
use the
cool.
rule edit?
And yeah, I can have round intermission too. Dude, this is so cool. There's so many things I can do with this. This
You
is
could also do
insane.
like an MVP for nah, not really, probably not. We'll have to see more.
Yeah, there's like a ton of shit. This is harder than C++. I mean, for fuck's sake. Okay, player arrays. Oh, wait, there's a filter. Wait, huh? How does this work? Oh, very cool. Thank you, Dice. Um. Oh wait, I can't use my B is zombie on this. Well, I can just do this. So instead of event player, we have to do arrays, current array element. Cool. So this is the number of zombies we have.
Oh, you know what you could do to probably prevent zombies from picking up weapons?
What?
You could set replace player inventory. So if player picks up a weapon, just replace it with the knife.
Yeah, yeah, I
Just
could.
get rid of it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Man,
Yeah, I can make a
solved
pure function for that.
Dang, there's the
Count of. Includes many changes.
hmm.
This is just all the tags on my game mode. Like, look at all this shit. PvE, no HUD. Look at all this shit. Oh, you can see the code? I want to see that in a second. It's gonna be busted. Math. Logic. No, this goes in the first. Yes. If this is greater than equal to 1... Actually, we're just going to say count of math. Oh, I could have done this for the number of active players. That's fucking whatever. So 0 is equal to the count of the players who are filtered by their player state of the current existing element being an AI soldier, being recon BC2, RU, or RUS. Okay. So that means if there are no soldiers left, clean up. Let's view the code. Oh, just kidding. I don't know what that is. Whoops. I'm kind of worried about some stuff. Like, I'm thinking... Like, I wonder if I sign in. You have an EA account, right, Uni?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. See if you can go to that link. What happens?
Oh, you really RC'd me like that?
No.
Okay, guys, I got the source code. I'm leaking it right now as we speak.
I just want to see if it lets you.
Yeah. I'll have to duplicate it to make edits, though.
Damn, like 4 years ago, I used your video to add custom colored text on an MW3 call sign. Nice, man. What's up?
Yo, that's funny. I literally just watched that video like an hour ago for some reason.
Pog you.
And I disliked. I mean, I liked it.
Event round change. I think we'll need a like
Unlock
a
all three.
lock
Yeah.
because well no, this should actually only ever happen when there's one. Yeah. Actually, not event
Can
round
I-
change. Event round next.
Can I see you add stuff live?
Wait, does it work like that?
Oh, probably not.
Like I just click save and then does that update it?
Nah, that's not real time. I think I have to reload the page every time.
Ah. This is the only time you're ever gonna see me use like a million if statements chained together. Look at this
You're
shit.
forced to at that
Yeah.
point.
I still don't know how to use conditions in this like thing right here. It won't let me. Like break. Oh. I mean I know how to use a break and a continue normally, but like I don't there's like no conditions there. Oh. There we go. Mmm. Interesting. So we like put that so it doesn't. But I mean, we already do that pretty much. It's just kind of done a different way. Okay. Okay, so event round next. So we've got that. So basically, at the moment, which by the way, your teleport idea is fucking amazing because that's going to allow me to do spawns. So like spawns are actually possible now.
I know, you're talking to Uni here. When I'm not drunk.
But what that means, I'm gonna have to test. Like, there's no way I can figure out the spawn locations without testing. I will literally have to go in a game with a debug loop, where like if I do something weird in game, it prints to me my location. And can you even do that?
No. What you could do is you could just set a random spawn point, and from there you could try figuring out.
Yeah,
where the rest are, really.
that's the only other way. Yeah, I can think of.
Like, just start at 0, 0, and from there you'll figure it out.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then based on which direction you want to go in.
Sure, there's a way to get player position.
Here, let me look. Oh, you could do world to local position.
Where's that?
Or just look up position in the search bar. Set player soldier, what does that do?
Oh, yeah, there's world to local position, local to world position, but how do you get the actual position of the player is my question. Is it just other? No. No.
Oh, okay, set player soldier is just nothing. Oh.
I feel like this is like we're missing stuff. It's like there's no way to get there's no way to get position, I don't think.
I feel like if you search for stuff, it shows up, but when you go to the sidebar, there's just like a lot of stuff missing. I think you have to like be searching for things in depth. Get game mode, score, watch. Player. Get player closest to. Oh, what you could probably do is, because you know how in zombies they spawn based on relativity of where you are.
Mm-hmm.
you could try to pull where the player is and set spawns within the range of the player itself.
Yeah, yeah.
Then that would be easier than just actually setting the spawn point.
Well,
Ish.
there's
Just have like a
no
radius.
raycasting.
Yeah, just realized.
Well, you could spawn the zombies in the air, but I mean, I guess that would be kind of easy to kill them.
And then they parachute down.
Yeah. That would be
Closest
terrifying.
place.
Imagine 60 AI just parachuting on you nonstop. That would actually be really fun. Oh my gosh. That actually might be the best fucking... Although it's probably going to cause a shitload of server lag. All the time. That's a good idea, though.
'Cause I'm literally looking, and like, there's a bunch of stuff that just doesn't show up unless you search for it yourself. Because I cannot find that, like, that position thing anywhere. Unless I'm blind, yeah. Mapped array? Oh, no. That does nothing. Event payload. Gameplay. Yeah. Logic.
Because, I mean, yeah, there's
No.
like... You can't make a vector literal, anyway. Like, what the fuck?
Oh, they have vectors. Yeah. Looks like they don't do much. Like, yeah.
You can create a vector. Okay, create vectors right there. Why? Yeah, why
Oh.
is this stuff not...
Oh, get X, Y, and Z.
Player state vector, hold on. Position, there we go. We got it. Player state vector. But why is that not in...
Yeah, it's in some weird ass
What the
places.
fuck?
Yeah, the way they put places.
Okay, good shit, Uni. You found another thing. Alright, this is now officially COD Zombies by Uni and Sirius. Alright, Feb, come on, get in here. Get this shit.
We're
Get-
figuring this out one by one.
That's all cool, man. I'm no use at the moment.
That's what Sirius thought when he brought me in.
Okay,
He's gonna haven't drink yet, so.
so it's gonna be get player state. Boom, we get the position of the player. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'd have to call teleport, and we would just make a vector literal, like, yeah, create vector. I guess this would be like player, event player. I guess this would... We'd have to, like, for each player, while we have zombies to spawn... Actually, we would just get closest player to... So this would be like the zombie state. So we have, like, the zombie position, closest player to this point. Well, obviously that's gonna get the fucking zombie. Hold on. Wait, is that... Team ID optional? Yeah, we don't want that. Because I don't know how to...
Oh, I found out Team ID is just Team 1, Team ID, and then it's just 1 or 2. So
Oh.
Team 2 will be the enemies, I believe.
Okay,
I think
okay.
that's how it works. Because like when you have modes like squad death matches and stuff, then the Team IDs will be important.
Okay. So it'd just be like Team ID 1.
Yeah, I believe so. Of course, we can't figure it out until release, but
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's how it would work.
So this would, like, get the position, and then we would do, like, create... Is there random in here? There is. Random real.
Yeah. Or randomizer? No. Randomizer rate does nothing. Well, yeah, let's see what it says, because they're definitely... Yeah, returns a random number between.
So we just do, like, between... Yeah, so we could literally create a position vector and put them, like, 1,000 units up in the air.
He's going with the parachute idea.
Okay, because, like, this will get the closest position to the zombie and then teleport them to them. So we need to create vector with a random real being 1,000 units away from where they are. to 1,000 units. So we take this, we do this, we do this. Or actually, this will be a constant, and we will put them 2,500 units up as far as the parachute goes. And maybe like as the rounds progress, they spawn closer and closer to the surface. So like the parachuting's less. Like...
So the reason why the earlier rounds are easy, but the higher the round, the closer they just start off, and then there's just a point where they spawn on the ground and start running after you.
Yeah.
There you go.
What's up, TY Glizzy? Yeah, I'm back now.
He's always back. He just doesn't want to upload.
So I think you can do vector add, right? Or can you not add vectors? Oh no.
Let's find out. Vector. Vector. Create vector. You probably just create a vector and then just add 2 other ones.
I'm just gonna try to do math add. Yeah, you can add vectors. Boom. Boom.
Oh yeah, it says it right there.
Wait, I can't. Oh, we need to get his position.
Oh, you know, one thing I noticed? What if it's multiple players? Because if you do it like that, right? Doesn't it select the one player to pick the spawns off of?
No.
Okay.
So like they're gonna spawn across the map in like their normal spawn, and then it'll just pick the closest player. Now I think.
Oh, just pick the closest players to that spawn. Okay. No.
Yes.
I got you.
We could just use random like team deathmatch spawns, because like in team deathmatch it just spawns you randomly. But I want it to be closer to the players, and I think the raining from above thing is hilarious. I don't know. I'll like save this and just like disable it for now, and then like maybe use it later because it's a fucking hilarious idea. So let's see. I think it'll be.
It reminds me of the Apex mode. Their infections, they spawn from the sky and go down.
Wait, do I have a event zombie spawn?
You forgot the most important.
No. Oh wait, yeah I do. Zombie spawned. Yeah. Okay. I'll just do an if statement up here. If literals false, teleport event player. Wait, what is this? Position yaw rotation? What does it even mean? Oh, I guess it would just be your like position you're looking. I think we can probably get that from the player state. Oh, look, you can literally just type A and scroll down, dude.
I don't know why I keep watching the YouTube live stream instead of just the Discord one, and I'm on Discord.
Yeah. We'll just say 0 because the bot will change it on its own anyway.
I got this.
So that'll like spawn them from the fucking sky if we wanted to just enable it. So yeah, they're already going to be good on spawns though. So really, now I just need to do round next. And that'll get the round-based system working. I'll be right back. I'm fucking pissed. I don't know.
Cares.
Cry about it. Okay.
Oh, we got Liam in here. Oh shit. We got the ultimate god himself in here. Progress will now progress faster. Oh, but I don't know how the hell you're gonna do the point system.
Easy. The problem is I don't think there's any events I can use.
Yeah.
Cause like, okay, so you have ongoing, which if there was any way to like check if they had a button pressed, no, you can't. So I mean, I guess you could like check their position. You know, like if they go to a position, there's like a message box and it's like wait here to purchase whatever. I mean, like, do what you gotta do, right? We got triggers figured out, okay. See, I told you, dude, modders can fucking do anything on this shit. Like, this is why I was so excited. You could, like, it doesn't matter. Cause this reminds me of Infamous 2. There was like this scripting system, and I figured out how to just destroy it. Like, do so much shit you were not supposed to be able to do.
Track variable over time. Okay, I think you just use that. Stop, and then after a while, stop.
Yeah, like,
Okay, yeah.
or
If
just
you look at the logic processes, you probably. And you can just set the user interface.
oh, we could have them like deploy a med kit in a spot to like buy a thing, right? That would work. You know, I want to know spawn. Is there any spawning? No. Is there drop? The problem is I want to see if you can drop weapons on the ground. Because
product, no. Let me look into it. Event payloads, gameplay.
see, because you can see their weapons. Oh, well, you can just mess with their inventory, I think.
Oh yeah, like once it redeems a point, just set slot of the gun that you have itself and swap it. There.
Yeah, so that would make the mystery box work. Nice.
And then just create like an array of weapons, and then just pick random and bam. Yo, let's go, Febla. Fuck.
Fuck you, man.
Oh, selection list. Okay. Inventory.
What is this bad karma? I guess it's a melee weapon. Okay, I'm gonna actually set the melee weapon.
Ooh. Wait. What's a loadout crate?
Good question. Where do you find that?
'Cause I went to resupply types because it said ammo box, ammo crates. I was just like looking
Oh,
at it. It says
resupply.
loadout crate. But that's for ammo, so you can set like max ammo and shit like that. Where did I find that?
Oh yeah,
Like,
power-ups. I didn't
here.
even think I had that on my... No, I didn't have that on my thing.
Well, there's no point of like half of them. Well, we'll just have to see.
No,
Where
they're...
the heck did I? Okay, here, selection list. Inventory durable.
Oh, it just...
Med
It resupplies them via a certain way. Okay, yeah, okay.
player inventory slot.
Come on, Feb. We gotta put you in the credits.
Alright, what we doing?
All right, I got you in the credits. You got to help us now.
Too many nerds for me. What? That's why Liam
Who
left.
said?
I was gonna play
Oh
Vanguard
no.
with him. Gonna get this gun gold before bed. Now I'm not gonna.
Yeah, what a
Too,
bitch.
too busy looking at all these options in dev now. There has to be a way to like drop a weapon at a certain point.
Yeah, I don't know if there's like weapon objects or not. I don't.
It's just inventory management.
Because that's the thing. Like they never really had weapon objects in Battlefield. It was always like you just pick up the player's body. Yeah. So.
Yeah. Or the loadout itself. Yeah.
So yeah, I forced them to have melee weapons as well. I don't know how much damage those things do though.
Knives are usually 2-shot.
Yeah, I don't want them to be able to stab you in the back and one-shot you though. I hope that's not a thing.
No,
Dude, could you imagine just
like that shit? You get fucking animated by a fucking
Yeah, the
zombie.
humiliation animation.
Yeah, by zombies.
You imagine that in Call of Duty, a zombie just hits you from behind if you don't have a riot shield,
You're just
and you're
dead.
just dead.
Yeah, that makes the flying ones even scarier. Hardest zombies mode ever.
Is there a way to set reload speed if you're gonna do perks? Because I know you can set the player's health. The speed you could easily set.
Yeah, we definitely need Jug.
And then what else is there? Double tap. That's just actually gonna be extra damage, I guess. What else is there?
Oh, we have player state number.
Oh.
Look. So we got inventory ammo, magazine, max health, normalized health, and speed.
Oh, easy. There's all the perks.
Yeah, so we got Jug, we got stamina.
Ebola.
Wait, we don't have reload
No.
speed though.
I think that's because of the guns itself.
Mm-hmm.
Because attachments change it, really. Player. Let's see. Player. Soldier. Go.
I mean, Jug and stamina up's enough. I don't think there's any way to do. Well, quick revive, we could just give them a fucking defibrillator.
Yeah, quick revive. You're just gonna have a medic on your team though. Just have him, basically. There's no point in buying quick revive if you just have a medic on your team anyway.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We can disable that though, cause like in the actual game mode settings, you can just disable that shit. I can go. I think it's in here. Yeah, so you could just mess with like I could just disable the medic.
Okay, you can set the magazine size, but you can't set the magazine reload. Nice. Resupply. Swear it has to be.
So yeah, we could just like clear their inventory whenever they spawn and like force it to be like the default inventory. I'm gonna do that because that should not be difficult.
I am the blue blah 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 blah.
Wait, why do I have 2 on zombie deaths? What the fuck?
SMH.
Oh wait, one of these is on zombie spawn. Oh, I already had an on zombie spawn, that's why. Oh shit, actually wait a minute. Fuck.
Language.
the fuck? On zombie death.
Bro, that's what Dark 8 there looks like. It looks even worse in game. Yeah, I was trying to remember what the website was. It was called Scratch.
Yeah, yeah. I used that in school. I got really good at it, and I made like we had this iPhone project. You had to make like an iPhone with like 4 apps, and of course I took that to the extreme so far that the emulator would
You're
no longer
cheating.
open my project, and the teacher just gave me 100. She didn't.
He was like, I'm not loading this.
Yeah, the emulator like ran out of memory or some shit. It's like whatever. That would be heartbreaking if this happened with this though.
It just crashes the game every time because it's that fucking good.
Yeah, like the server just lags whenever it starts. Too many variables.
We didn't expect you to use all 16. Wait, how'd you get 43?
Yeah. Wait. What? Wait, why is there this global and then there's this player? I don't. Wait,
Do
why
they
is
have
that?
a weather systems scripting?
Mm, let's see. I don't think so.
What you looking for?
Do you remember when we were playing the beta and that one map had like
You can enable it or disable it. That's all I know.
yeah, it'd be cool. So it always like
Yeah, I told him, why did you
rain
disable
and
the
shit.
tornado? You see a bunch of zombies flying over. They just start flying down. Assassinate you. Shit, what time is it? I got 3 more hours.
Could do like extinction or something where like have the tornado always on the zombie spawn in the tornado
Some say extinction.
and then start flinging out everywhere.
Fucking have the tornado like throw like you spawn your vehicles in the fucking tornado and like throw them at players. Literally tanks versus helicopters and the tanks are in the fucking tornado.
Hey, fair dogfight. Who's in modding help?
I left Mage on his own.
No, I told him to hop in the call at 1:34. It's been an hour. I don't know why he went back. And I would not put him in this call, just saying.
Yeah. So, say some things that we don't appreciate.
Like
On
the
YouTube?
words,
Mhm.
like not even YouTube, just in general. Like we don't even say that in our own servers.
Yeah, we don't condone that stuff.
Now the void. Project Infinity, multi-call tool, original firmware. You capping serious?
Oh look, you can search your nodes. That's fucking awesome. Okay, that's helpful. It's like there's like a bunch of little tools that make this fucking passable. You know, like it's not good, but it's usable, which is fucking hilarious. It reminds me of BO2 GSC. You remember when GSC Studio was so shit, and it's like it wasn't good, but it was usable. So like people did shit with it. It's the same shit here.
They'll definitely update it and add more stuff, I reckon.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll start everybody out with... Oh, wait, but this is not gonna... We'll store a copy of their inventory, and give it back to them when they respawn. Well, maybe not.
Yeah, they have to pay for it back through points. Will be good.
Wait, bro.
Yeah, like
They did
Infinite
in
Warfare.
IW.
Yeah.
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 And maybe start out with just a pistol or something.
Yeah.
Or just start off with like a fucking machine gun LMG, fully decked out all the time.
In-game weapon.
Well, I mean, like the enemies are gonna spawn with
He's nuts.
Oh where? They're gonna. Wait, do they not let? Do they not have any? Oh, because it's primary weapons. That's why.
They changed McCree's name in Overwatch to Cassidy. Major downgrades.
Okay, so we give them a 1911, just like in COD. Wait, there should be. Or I think is how you do this. Wait, no, I don't know how to combine items in here. Maybe it'll let me. We also need to give them frags. I don't know how to combine the inventory.
Do set player.
You see, it says or.
Yeah.
I can't. Or only takes bulls. Yeah. So how
Is there
are
no
we supposed to...
ands?
Is it in an array? No, I think the array symbol's different.
Just do 2 replace inventories then.
Because that will replace the first one.
Yeah, that would replace the first one.
Oh. No, because the first one sets the melee, and then the other one sets the second.
Yeah, but it clears
never
all
mind.
before
I see what it does.
Yeah. Maybe they have like a way to combine it.
Yeah, shouldn't there be an and?
What type does it say? Oh, just...
Yeah, what are you...
Oh, it says gives a target player a new inventory item, but it does not say that
Oh, yeah.
it doesn't say that it clears it. So is there any way to clear their inventory?
Yeah. Shit, I know I saw it. Gameplay. Player.
They set inventory ammo.
Try replace, see if that takes more than...
I'm using replace.
Oh, is that what you did?
Yeah, that's a problem. I don't know whether...
Try is inventory slot. No.
Is inventory slot... Where?
Active. But I don't think that will be it.
I don't think so either.
Well, we're
like-
trying to move a weapon, right?
Yeah.
Player... Force switch inventory.
What? No, that switches you to, like...
Uh,
Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah, no, that switches you to that specific weapon, but it doesn't, like, remove your other ones.
Let's look into this.
I mean, will it take an array? No, it won't take an array. So maybe we just, like, lock them out of every weapon, like, in their class, and instead we just give them that gun.
Yeah, that's probably better, because otherwise you probably have to replace every item in the inventory. Oh no, because it still don't take it, does it? I think it will if you replace it with the same class. If you get what I mean. So you can't have 2 primary weapons, so it would replace the first one.
Exactly. That's what I'm thinking. So, like, what we would have to do then is in their team restrictions, we basically say their weapons cannot have, like they can't have any weapons, pretty much.
Wait, it says forces the player to switch to the provided inventory, so it'll just force him to use the knife, wouldn't it?
Actually,
them
we
to
can
switch
just
from-
configure their inventory like this. Just set, like, set it to where they can only have a pistol, and then they can only have no underbarrels. I don't care what sights you put on it.
You're editing too.
And then the gadgets, we force them to take certain stuff. So like, you must take a.
What you could probably do is just give them guns, but then remove. Like, I think you could set the magazine counts to 0. Yeah, set inventory magazine to 0, and then just set ammo inventory to 0. So they're forced to knife at that point.
Yeah, yeah. Well, for the zombies, I don't have any problem because the zombies aren't allowed to have anything anyway. Like they don't get anything. Like they don't even have weapons. So it will only have a melee weapon for them. But for these guys, it's not necessarily.
Poggers.
So like, I was thinking like just make it to where when they throw a med kit or an ammo box into. That would make them run one class, though, I think. Which that's okay. I mean, I can literally just change the classes they're allowed to run to only be can't be support. I mean, you can't be recon and you can't be engineer, so you can only be support or assault. And then you have an ammo box and a med kit, and then the proximity weapons. We'll just make it to where you spawn with like one thing, and then we just give you something like whenever you buy from the mystery box. Dude, this is like, yeah, it's gonna be real zombies. Like, there's so much shit we can do with this.
Shit comes out like in what, 2 weeks? Or is it next week?
No, it comes out in 2 days. Portal does.
Portal
I swear.
comes out? Oh, early access starts. So you have to buy like the premium edition.
Oh yeah, I have
Tomorrow?
that. Yeah.
November 12th?
Oh, I guess, yeah.
Oh, comes out tomorrow. Oh, well, technically 2 days because we
Yeah.
started this yesterday. Yo, so like anybody want to buy me? So what? I have to buy like the fucking $100 edition? Shit. Good thing
I
got that
told y'all.
bonus.
I told Dev's like, no. Why would you buy the $100 edition? No. And I'm like, dude, I'm telling you. You know how Dice is. If you don't buy the $100 edition, you're gonna miss out on something. He's like, oh, but I don't want any of that. I'm just gonna
Okay.
buy. It's like, okay. And then, yep, here we are.
Well, he refunded it anyways.
Oh, he did? Really?
Yeah, to get the fucking Destiny DLC. Because the
Toxic.
beta was shit.
Oh wait,
Okay.
who? Feb? No, I
Yeah.
meant Dev said that.
Oh, the
But yeah,
the
Feb.
early access when you pre-order
He's
the
not even gonna get to
gold
play Call of
edition.
Duty Zombies with us.
I might just buy it again.
Oh, $90, bro. 90 quid. Holy, bro, this is fucking slander. Wait, what do you, Feb, what do you Brits say when you say this is like, this is a ripoff or something?
Or just a rip-off.
Nah, like, I know this is some slang down there. Or this is bollocks or something.
Yeah, bollocks are like, another word for saying it's fucked or something.
Wait, if I buy it on PlayStation, is the game crossplay with PC? Because I'll fucking buy it right now on PlayStation. If does 2042 have crossplay?
Yeah, it is crossplay.
Yes, Battlefield will have cross-platform play while there's a music tons.
Yeah, there's limitations though, like you won't be able to play 128 player servers and stuff.
No, I bought it on PS5.
Oh. Well, even then, I think.
No, PS5 supports. It's last gen. I only get 64.
Okay.
I believe. Let me check
Wait.
really quick.
Where's my? Inventory stuff. Did they? Oh, it's in my inventory. They
Can't
delete
delete
it?
He's running out of space.
You can search, can't you? You search in all.
Okay,
Yeah, you're right. Well, I was thinking maybe they delete nodes that are not in the search thing, but this stuff's all in there, so
okay.
maybe I just didn't save it. Oh, here it is. It's right here. What am I talking about? And then on zombie spawn, the inventory's right here. Yeah, we forced them to switch to the melee. And here we just
Okay, with support of 128 players on PS5 and 64 for PS4. Shit, how much gigabytes is this? Doesn't even say.
Okay, so we got player inventories set up, like initial player inventories. Wonder how
I
much
don't
is this is
know.
gonna actually work when it's time to play.
Should I buy it or should I not?
You tell me.
Well, I'm buying on PlayStation if I need.
Cringe.
Ring.
Oh, I'm gonna buy the
When I
disc
make
version.
ZBR version, when I make ZBR on this shit, dude, ZBR 2042.
Honestly, the graphics would be fucking amazing. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. You know ZBR 2042 is gonna totally work too, and it's gonna be hilarious.
What if I just... If I buy the physical version, will it show up in time?
No.
You can't even buy the fucking digital deluxe edition physically? They did that
It's the
with fucking...
digital deluxe edition.
No, I meant the fucking gold edition, my fault. No, cause for, Back for Blood, when I went to buy Far Cry, I was like, doesn't this game come out on my birthday? And then I was like, they were only selling like the fucking digital or the deluxe edition at the store. Like you were
Yeah.
forced to buy that. So that's what I'm looking for Battlefield, but I don't see it.
Yeah.
What if I just click on it?
So we
Oh,
got.
it comes with a free steelbook case. Oh my god.
So I guess the next important thing. So wall buys are probably not gonna happen.
Yeah, kind of cringe. NGL. Wait, what if I just go to the fucking Battlefield website? Battlefield. You sure?
Oh yeah. So we need frag grenade. Frag grenades every round. So.
PlayStation.
Whoa.
Standard edition. Can I only buy the fucking standard? That's cringe. I'm looking at my standard edition physically. Oh wait, no. Okay, gold edition. Yeah, right here. Pre-order now. No, I wanna buy it physically. Best Buy right here. Digital, fuck. Yeah, there's no physical edition. Cringe.
Oof.
I need to like add it to my collection. I'm fiending right now. Wait, what happens if I go to...
Wait, can you put a raise in a rank? You can.
Only Vanguard could fix their multiplayer. I'm pretty sure DICE could try. And again, 2042 had more issues than fucking COD. Dang. I didn't realize it came out tomorrow. Technically.
Yeah, that's why I got on this shit.
Cause Nick was talking to me. I'm like, yeah, that doesn't come out for like till like next week or something.
Mm-hmm.
He was like, oh, it does? Fuck. Mage is still in the call by himself. Oh, I think he was supposed to. I guess we're not doing raid. This is more important. Oh. Still gotta buy Cold War on disc. Pretty sure I could find it for cheap. Yo, that's me. That was literally me when I fell asleep in my chair waiting for you guys to get the fucking Hawkmoon quest done. I was like, okay, so I'm gonna get all the feathers. And like a whole hour passed and you still didn't get any of them.
Oh, we got all the feathers, man. You just fell asleep in like 2 minutes.
No, I was literally there. You guys were in the EDZ for like 20 minutes, so...
You didn't get kicked until we went to Crucible.
Okay, let's see. Cold War, that's $36. Is it free shipping though? That's what they get you. $30 for P. Why does it look like that? It's cringe, bro. That one's 30. I'm pretty sure there's a motherfucker selling it for 5.
Nothing.
30. This guy's selling Spider-Man and Cold War for 60. That's a steal right there. This guy have free shipping? This is PS4 or PS4? Oh.
Is there a way to get like the default value of a? Guess not. It should let me just set 4 though, I think.
Ending soonest. Lot of 3 Sony PlayStation Guitar Heroes. Yo, about a cop. These are all 5 hours.
I probably want to set that on their spawn too. Although you can't modify like damage, so the grenade damage is gonna be dog shit. Totally fucking useless after like round 1.
Great.
Wait, no, where did that go? Why does it like go all the way down there? That's retarded. Okay. Oh wait, that's what I think that's what restock is for. Input restrictions? What? What is that? Enable input restriction? Oh, bruh.
Oh, you could. Yeah.
So like we could have the zombies walk until round like 5. Bruh. This is so cool. We could adjust the zombie speed every round too. Oh, there's so much weird shit you can do.
Oh, so you can like restrict sprinting and stuff.
Yeah, you can do everything. Like you can stop them from selecting their character, specialty, their gadgets, primary, secondary, throwable, etc. So like I can literally do that for all the bots every time they spawn, just like not let them do anything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that because, yeah.
Your way to increase health.
Yeah. You set max health. I already did that. I calculate
cool.
zombie health exactly how Treyarch does.
Let's go.
That shit too. You want to see that code though? Like, hold
Yeah.
on, where is it? It's in here. It's something fucking weird. There it is. Yeah. I think that's it. This whole fucking gigantic shit. That's it. I don't even know if it works, but I think it does. So that's enough.
I think by default the game, like if you get a headshot, it does more damage than it.
Yeah. Well, you can edit the headshot multiplier too. So clean up my blocks and save it again, and then I'll show you. So I have global damage modifiers. Like team 1 does 1.5 headshot multiplier, and team 2, oh, we're not gonna mess with that. But like you do more headshot multiplier. You know, see?
Yeah, that's good.
So yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah, so we will not allow bots to do like any of this shit. Wait, there's an interaction? I wonder what we could do with that. Actually, yeah, I definitely want to do that so that they can't pick any like weapons up.
You could probably enable vehicles as well, you know.
Yeah,
To
you
stop
can.
the zombies from
Yeah, I can enable vehicles, but then players would be like in God mode. I think it'd be cool to like
Yeah,
let
you
you
could
buy
do it
a
like
temporary tank and like destroy it after.
oh yeah, and make it do like Cold War does, for example, to balance it where if you hit a zombie, it does damage to the vehicle.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That's pretty fucking smart. Oh, you're talking about like buggies and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, the thing is, on really large maps, I'm gonna have to come up with something like to keep the zombies tethered to the player. So like maybe make them like always teleport within a radius if the player gets too far away.
Yeah.
Because yeah, otherwise like they'll
That's what
just
COD do anyway, don't they? They do that cleanup.
yeah, I'll make them teleport above you into the fucking sky and rain down on you. These are gonna be the most. This zombie mode is gonna be fun as fuck. We're gonna have to put a fucking Patreon link in the description. Make some money off this.
Donation.
Yo, you're gonna put my OnlyFans in there?
Yeah.
Yo, onlyfans.com/unicause. It's not my account, but somebody's.
Big brain.
Don't. It's too Sigma. Don't promote your OnlyFans. Promote others. So when they don't file for their taxes, they go to jail. I still remember when that was a thing on Twitter. Fucking finding those cam whores or whatever.
Yeah.
And then reporting them to the IRS. And then they got mad. They're like, why I gotta pay taxes on stuff over the internet?
I guess I'll do a point system just to do it.
It won't do anything. It's just to flex your
Yeah,
score.
it'll be there, like so that whenever you, like, yeah. Yeah, nice. Okay. So I want to do on zombie killed.
They have that thing, don't they, in game where you can like buy stuff. Like it's already a thing in game.
Wait, let me actually. Wait, really? How?
There's like score streaks and stuff in it.
I don't
Show you a bit.
remember that. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I think those are disabled. But I know what you're talking about. I think I disabled all that though.
Yeah, it's where like you call in your dog and stuff in it.
Yeah,
Or like a mechanical dog. And you can request the tank or whatever, something weird like that.
yeah. Okay, so now when a player dies, it disables their respawn, which is good. And then for every round next, it will have to for each the players like this, which I think this is yeah on run changed. For each player, so we have to check like if they're deployed or not. Is that a player state property? Probably. Yeah, is alive. So we just do is dead. Oh wait, there's force deploy all players. Oh, but that'll deploy the AI too. I don't want that to happen.
Fab cheated on me.
Get over it.
No. Why do you laugh? He's like, pussy.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, we've been at this for 3 hours.
Yeah, holy shit.
Time goes by fast when you're trying to be the world's first.
Well, I'm not even trying to be the world's first, I'm just trying to be the world's best at this.
Like day one, you just released this shit.
Yes, dude, literally, like, the only custom
That's how
server
you get
browser
all the
day one.
fucking
Yeah,
views.
it's gonna be like COD Zombies is already in Battlefield. They're gonna be like,
And then they gotta get jack frags and all them on this.
yeah.
You gotta promote ZBR in it as well.
Yeah.
Be like,
T7
That's
ZBR,
so
play now.
at the start of the video, be like, hey guys, before you check this out, don't forget to download
Wait.
T7
Yes.
ZBR.
Hold on. https gsc.dev/s/discord. Oh wait, only can include Latin characters.
Ghetto scroll bar. Really, Fev?
Oh wait, you can't put a enter?
What?
I guess
You
you can't
shift
press enter.
enter.
No.
You can't?
Nope.
It just doesn't
There we
validate
go.
you? Oh, well, either way.
Actually, we'll do discord.gg/gsc.
Don't forget Loader Infinity. Nah, it's not ready yet to be publicized like that.
Yeah, definitely not.
When the rebrand is done. Whenever I get time to... I could have been doing it this whole time. I was just sitting here.
Mm-hmm.
Oi, Fab, you really add a fucking clapped scroll bar, bro.
But it's collapsed
You
as
gotta
fuck.
add... You have to make one with massive bunda. The fuck was that? Is that a hiccup or a laugh or both?
Both.
Understandable.
Have a
Good
nice day.
Hanukkah. Can't believe it's almost Christmas, dude. All I know is I'm just waiting for Thanksgiving. I don't work Thursdays usually. I have the day off. Probably do it if they pay me a double. Rob Feb.
I want to see what force deploy all players does before I call it, because I'm worried that it will do something I don't want it to do.
Force deploys everybody.
Missing help article. Awesome.
Missing health. Wait, there's 3 Daves? Oh. Why do I have 1,000? Okay, let's blackjack it all. Easy dubs. This how it's done, Feb. Easy dub. Easy. Oh, I lost. Call me dyslexic.
Okay, so it auto revives players if they're down during the round, or when the round ends. It automatically enables player deploy, so players can deploy during the round, which is interesting. I guess you could choose when to deploy, which would be interesting. And I think we have squad spawning too, so like it's kind of more tactical, which is cool. Dick in your mom.
Ooh.
So yeah, I don't think Mystery Box or Pack-a-Punch is really going to work until we have an origin to put them at. But until then, we can make the logic.
Someone say logic?
Don't,
I don't
Don't
want
say-
to die no more.
oh, okay.
I don't want to live no more. Wait, that was gonna say the other one. Hey yo, I'm logic.
So there's display
done
custom message. Let's see. Missing help article? No.
It might be. That might be a text box.
Yeah, see, there's custom message text, and there's like message text 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like header text.
Yeah, you have to give me header text.
Game on message,
tell Mage.
notification message. So there's notification message,
No, that one goes away after 6 seconds though. There's one that's permanent.
but I don't. I'm just getting missing help article for everything. I'm gonna delete these and refresh the browser. I think it's fucked up. What? Huh? Dude, is it gone already? I was... Bruh. Did they take it away already?
What? It's not. Yeah, it's thinking that's supposed to be out, right? Here, let me read.
No, they like had a link up for us to be able to do that.
Oh yeah, I'm
It's
getting
down?
it too.
Yeah, it's probably done.
Bruh.
Yeah, it's done.
All the EU people will be getting up now. 8 o'clock in the morning.
Well, technically, the game is out in New Zealand, so it makes no sense for it to be down. Wait, what if I do that? What if I make a New Zealand account? Hold on. PlayStation New Zealand. Latest. What's the game called? 42.
Maybe yeah, they found the stream and they're like, "Oh shit." And they turned that shit off. Like they saw my script and they're like, "Nah, get the
I
fuck
thought
out
this
of
was gonna get a copyright claim true.
Yeah, I'm gonna go fucking
Yeah, it's November
Cease and
11th.
desist.
Oh, it's November 11th right now. Wait, it comes out.
It's the 11th of November for me.
Cross-gen bundle, gold edition. Okay. Oh, it's in 3 more hours. It comes out in New Zealand. So probably in like 3 hours, it'll go back up.
Yeah, they're probably updating this one.
Damn, it's $150 fucking dollars for them.
Bro, if I have to recode this whole thing, I'm gonna cry.
Nah, I would have said because you sent human in the link, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
And you could have seen it.
Yeah. Plus you have the live stream backed up of everything.
Yeah, true. Oh well, I mean, I guess that's a good time to stop. If I can't get back
I
to
know,
it.
it's been 3 hours.
Yeah, I get 3 hours sleep and jump back on.
No, I got fucking college work to do. But yeah,
No,
I'm definitely gonna.
We're staying up to
After
3
I'm done
hours.
with
We're
the
gonna
college
test
work.
this shit.
So portal.battlefield.com resolves, but it doesn't like load.
Oh, this was review, so I think like they were just like showing everybody it.
Mm-hmm. I hope
Yeah,
it's saved.
Yeah, because portal.battlefield.com just gives me a black screen.
Yeah, same.
So I think yeah, they're getting ready to transfer.
That's fine.
At least we know what we're doing now. We have an idea.
I don't want to have to redo all that though. That was a lot of work.
Nah, they'll probably transfer it.
I hope.
Yo, we got RC'd, bro. That's all.
You have to sign in and stuff, didn't
Yeah, yeah.
you? Yeah.
Alright, well I guess I'm gonna end the stream. So thanks for everyone who watched. See you later.
I'm gonna
Peace.
say